Listen and speak. Once upon a time, there lived a king who had 4 wives. One day, the king got sick and was on the deathbed. He feared that he would be left alone forever when he died. So he asked his fourth wife, I loved you the most. I gave you gold, diamond, jewelry, and I took great care of you. Now I am dying. Would you die with me and go with me to the afterlife? The fourth wife replied, No, I can't do that, and she walked away. The king also loved his third wife, and he was very proud and would show her off to the neighboring kingdoms. So he called on his third wife and asked, Would you die with me and accompany me to the afterlife? The third wife replied, No, I love my life too much. I will remarry after your death. Then the king asked his second wife, hoping that she will not refuse him, Queen, I have always called on you for help and you have always been there for me. When I die, will you come with me to keep me company? The second wife replied, I am sorry, I can't help you this time, but I will arrange funeral for you. The king was upset. Suddenly, a voice called out and said, I will die with you and follow you, no matter where you go, even if it is to the afterlife. The king looked, and it was his first wife, and this was the wife whom he took care of the least. He felt embarrassed and said, I am sorry. I should have taken a better care and more attention to you when I was alive. Moral of the story is, we all have 4 wives in our life. Our fourth wife is our body. We like to decorate our body with nice clothes and jewelry, but in the end, it walks away just like the fourth queen. Third wife is our money and possessions. We spend so much time gathering our possessions like car, house, gold, but in the end, it is given to other people and divided, just like the third wife who will remarry. Second wife is our family and friends. No matter how much they supported and loved us, they can only follow us to the funeral. And the first wife represents our soul. We usually neglect taking care of our soul, but our soul follow us to the afterlife. So always remember, take care of your body, keep it healthy. Enjoy with your possessions and comfort they provide. Cherish your friends and family for the love that they provide. But don't forget to take care of your soul. Nourish your soul, spend some alone time, take time to pray and take time to meditate. Because it is the only source of your life and your most faithful friend. It always lives with you even after your life. Thank you.